A warm greetings to everyone. Agriculture Makers in Mission IBPS AF4 welcomes you to this video. And in this video, we are going to see the important questions for IBPS AF4 mains in horticulture part 1. And come on, let's get into the video. Firstly, the pollinating agent in mango is said to be houseflies. Polyembryonic condition is seen in jamun, citrus, and mango. Actually, in citrus, all the species are said to be polyembryonic in nature, except Pumalo, that is Citrus maxima or Citrus grandis, is said to be monoembryonic in nature. In mango, not all the varieties are polyembryonic. The varieties such as Solur, Bapakai, Vellai Kolumban are said to be polyembryonic in nature. Next to this, vivipary condition is seen in chow chow, and chow chow is also said to be a perennial vegetable. The variety of mango which has turpentine flavor is said to be Langra, and Langra is one of the important variety in North India, and it is said to be a biennial bearing in nature. The chemical used for better color development and enhanced keeping quality in papaya is potassium metabisulfite at the concentration of 0.5 percentage. Kino, that is the hybrid between king and willow leaf mandarin, can be grown in HDP using which rootstock? It is Troyes range at a spacing of 1.8 into 1.8. Keep in mind. Next to this, cucurbits should not be intercropped in banana. That is, we should not intercrop the cucurbits along with banana. Whereas, you should not use any sulfur fungicides or weedicides or pesticides, anything in cucurbits because it produces spray drift effect in cucurbits. Next to this, protogyny is seen in sapota. Protogyny refers to the maturity of stigma before the stamen, and this condition is seen in sapota. The seedless variety of jamun is said to be Narendra Jamun 6. And next to this, the chemical used for inducing flowering in pineapple is said to be ethyl. Ethyl is actually a ripening hormone, but in case of pineapple, it is used for inducing flowering in pineapple, as flowering is said to be irregular in case of pineapple. June drop in apple is said to be moisture stress. Actually, there are a number of drops including early drop, June drop, premature drop. Premature drop is due to the formation of abscission layer and also ethylene formation. But in case of June drop, it is due to moisture stress mainly. Method of pollination in fig is said to be caprification. And in case of fig, the pollination is done by the fig wasp. The Central Institute of Horticulture is in Nagaland. CIH is in Nagaland. Likewise, IIHR is in Bangalore. Cluster of flower in tomato is called as truss. The variety of brinjal that is resistant to little leaf is said to be Arcachil, whereas the variety of brinjal that is resistant to aphid is said to be Annamalai. Yellow color in onion is due to quercetin, whereas purple color in onion is due to anthocyanin. Pungency in garlic is due to allicin in case of injured garlic and allinase in case of non-injured garlic. The compound responsible for the pungency in garlic is said to be diallyl disulfide, whereas in onion it is said to be allyl propyl disulfide. This is very important, keep in mind. Failure in setting of jelly is due to increased sugar and reduced acid. Whereas synaresis or whipping of jelly is due to increased acid, reduced sugar and pectin. The case is vice versa in both. The concept of wild garden was introduced by the personality William Robinson. Keep in mind, apple shaped variety of mango is said to be Rumani. Apple of tropics is said to be Goa, whereas apple of paradise is said to be banana. Likewise, Kalpataru is said to be banana, Kalpavriksha is said to be your coconut. Cauliflower condition is seen in fig, jackfruit, and also cocoa. Cauliflower is the condition in which the tree bears the fruit in the main trunk only. Okay, main trunk that bears the fruit is said to be cauliflower. Next to this, the heterostyle condition is seen in brinjal. Heterostyle refers to the variation in length of style in the flower, and this condition is said to be in brinjal. Extreme early variety of tomato is said to be Isar Aruna, whereas nematode tolerant variety is said to be Hisar Lalit. The chemical colchicine used for polyploidy breeding is said to be Glory Lily. Arka Sahan is a variety of custard apple, and it is one of the important variety in custard apple released by IIHR, that is Indian Institute of Horticulture Research in Bangalore, and this variety is said to be ruling now in Karnataka, and the fruit is said to be large in size with only 3 or 4 seeds only, and the taste is also very good. It's extracted. Next to this, Arka Sahan is a variety of custard apple, and it is one of the important variety. It is now ruling in Karnataka. Actually, it has been released from our IIHR, Indian Institute of Horticulture Research in Bangalore. And with this, I'm concluding. Hope the content and the video will be very much useful to you. Keep on watching us and do subscribe our channel. And thank you for all your support and cooperation.